Welcome to OPPEIN. Here at OPPEIN, each piece in our collection is a testament to the artistry and passion of our master designers. From our good-looking sofas to our ornate dining tables, each detail is carefully curated to portray unparalleled quality and timeless beauty.
Imagine yourself sinking into this posh cushion, or hosting your family and friends in a space like this that exudes elegance and refinement. Our luxury furnitures are designed to enhance your lifestyle while creating beautiful memories. We pride ourselves on the use of premium materials, from the finest hardwood to luxurious upholstery fabrics and meticulously chosen accents. Our furnitures embody excellence in every detail. Experience the comfort and durability that the finest architects have to offer.
Don't just take our word for it. Visit our website today at www.opppeinabuja.com, or you can visit our store today at 173B Aminu Kano Crescent, Wuse 2 Abuja. Your comfort is our interest.